Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you how to make origami paper plane. So for this, you'll need an A4 size sheet. So let's start. Now you have to keep the sheet like this. Now, like this, you have to fold it in half, and this is a simple one paper airplane. Now you have to open your fold, and our trees is ready. Now, like this, fold it from the front till the trees. Then from the other side also do the same thing. Now make one more trees like this. Like this, I made this bigger one. Now on the other side also I'll make this bigger, one more bigger one. Okay, so I have made it, and our airplane is almost ready. Now you have to move like this, turn it. Now you have to do like this, then do like this, then do like this, and your airplane is ready. Okay, so here is our airplane. And now we'll make it fly in shorter distance, then we'll make it fly in longer distance. So you can see that there's our airplane. Now we'll fly from there to another place. And I'll also tell you a trick. Put your finger like this, in the behind this space will come. Then like this, fill in some air. Then make it fly, and you saw that it didn't rotate and it went too long. So if you liked my today's video, like, share and subscribe, and view all of my channels. Bye.